In traditions, we know that life, when we're talking about reincarnation and the bloodline, we know that the life that we live is a very, 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 very small part of reincarnation. This 80, 90, if we're blessed, 100 years that we're going to live in this life is a very small part of our existence. And when you realize or you're aware, you're given the power or knowledge of that, and you know that it allows you to focus on what's important in this life. You're here to get a work done, raise your quality, evolve, heal, so that you can heal others, right? And then you move on to do your work on the other side.